Today, we're getting crunchy with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, a breakfast favorite that's been coating bowls and fingers with sugar and cinnamon goodness for decades. Here's a fun fact. Each piece is actually dusted with a mix of real cinnamon and sugar over 10 times to lock in that sweet, spicy flavor. Ever wondered how these crispy squares are made so perfectly swirled and stacked in every box? Stick around because we're about to take you behind the scenes of one seriously sweet production line. The main ingredient in Cinnamon Toast Crunch is cinnamon, which is obtained from the bark of cinnamomum trees. The trees are primarily grown in countries with tropical climates like Indonesia and Sri Lanka. Expert farmers who've refined their skills for years keenly harvest the barks. After harvesting, the bark is well dried before it's rolled into sticks and ground into fine powder. Wheat is the next ingredient, and it forms the crispy cereal base of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Once wheat is harvested, it's moved to a processing facility where it's ground into flour. Rice flour is also used to add a touch of lightness and give Cinnamon Toast Crunch its signature crunch and crispy texture. Combining rice and wheat flour gives the cereal a unique bite. Sugar is an essential ingredient that makes the Cinnamon Toast Crunch sweet. It can be obtained from various sources, but the most common ones are sugar beets or sugar cane. Once harvested, sugar beets or sugar cane go through a meticulous refining process to form granulated sugar. The sugar is then keenly measured before it's added to the cereal mixture. The factory can either use sunflower or canola oil to add crispiness and flavor during the baking process. Maltodextrin is also used to enhance the texture and flavor of the cereal. In addition, trisodium phosphate stabilizes the cereal, helping it maintain freshness. After obtaining all the ingredients, they're moved to an automated weighing station. Here, experts weigh precise portions of each ingredient. Each ingredient must be added in controlled quantities for uniform texture, flavor, and nutritional value in each piece of cereal. Creating the ideal blend of nutrition, texture, and taste is an art. The experts ensure every batch meets quality standards to deliver the delicious cereal that many people love. Once the weighing is completed, the ingredients are taken to the mixing and blending section. The factory has large industrial mixers which combine all the ingredients thoroughly. The mixing and blending step is crucial to distribute all the ingredients evenly while ensuring every Cinnamon Toast Crunch square has the same flavor. Once the mixture is well blended, industrial dough kneading machines knead and press the dough until it has a smooth, pliable texture. The dough is then allowed to sit for some minutes before it's moved through rollers that flatten it to form a continuous sheet of a uniform thickness. The next step involves cutting the sheets into a square shape synonymous with the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The sheet of dough then passes through cutting machines that slice it into the shape of the cereal. Precision and attention to detail during this stage are crucial to ensure every piece is uniform in shape and size. The squares are then perforated and slightly separated from each other to allow for even airflow in baking. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is renowned for its sugar coating. To create this coating, sugar and cinnamon are mixed. The cereal squares are then moved through a large rotating drum where a mist of sugar and cinnamon is sprayed onto them. The mist facilitates even coating for each piece of cereal and ensures that every square is covered with the perfect amount of sugar and spice. Some factories use a dry coating process, where Cinnamon Toast Crunch squares are tossed with a dry mixture of cinnamon and sugar. Some factories apply a light layer of oil to the cereal to help the coating stick better. This oil layer ensures that the cinnamon sugar mixture sticks to the surface of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch during the final stages of production and packaging. The coated cereal pieces must be baked to give the Cinnamon Toast Crunch a toasty crunch. They undergo a well-regulated toasting process, enabling them to obtain a golden brown color and ensure they develop the irresistible crunch that many enthusiasts love. The factory manages the time and temperature during the toasting process to ensure consistency throughout every batch. Quality control is vital in the production of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. To maintain high quality, factory workers keenly monitor each step of the production process. Strict quality control measures are in place, from sourcing the ingredients to preparing and packaging the finished product. These measures include laboratory tests, sensory evaluations, and observance of strict production guidelines to ensure every Cinnamon Toast Crunch meets customer expectations. After the toasting and baking, the cereal is moved to the cooling section, where it's allowed to cool down to room temperature. This step helps remove excess moisture and ensures the Cinnamon Toast Crunch doesn't become soggy. Proper cooling is vital for preserving its shelf life. Once the cooling process is complete, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch is ready for packaging. Packaging is vital for preserving the quality and freshness of the cereal. The factory measures individual Cinnamon Toast Crunch pieces before placing them into boxes. The boxes are later sealed to maintain the flavor and protect the cereal during transportation. The packaged boxes are loaded onto trucks before the factory ships them to distribution centers. From there, the cereal is distributed to supermarkets and grocery stores for customers to buy. Remember, Cinnamon Toast Crunch contains butylated hydroxytoluene, or BHT, a preservative the Food and Drug Administration has classified as GRAS, generally considered safe. This means the body finds the preservative safe when used in small amounts for its intended purpose. So making Cinnamon Toast Crunch involves carefully sourcing high-quality ingredients, mixing them precisely, baking, and packaging them keenly before distributing them to local grocery stores. This complex journey ensures that consumers enjoy the sumptuousness of the cereal. Next time you grab a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Take a few minutes to appreciate the journey it's taken across the farm and factory before reaching your bowl. Did you enjoy our video? Do you have anything to add? Kindly tell us in the comments section below. Like and share this video with your loved ones. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you can be among the first people to know when we upload a new video.